Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Hillingdon Council Tax account. For this, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in Hillingdon Council Tax login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, www.on.com. Now, scroll down a bit. Then you'll be able to see the login form over here. Now, simply, you need to enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here, and once you click on the login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Reset Password, then you'll be able to reset your password. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for review and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.